Thank you, Paul. So, as the Chief Revenue Officer at BMC, how has the incumbent tech stack and processes impacted your forecasting process and overall sales operations?
So I guess I took the role, as I said, around 2.5 years ago, max, and might be interesting, for you to kind of how I came into the role. It was quite interesting. So I followed a number of frameworks that you'd follow, but and I'm a bit of a framework kind of mad about framework. So um, an IP3 method, so inventory pattern plan. So I spent the first 60 days really looking at a whole inventory of a whole host of things, people, process, technologies. And one of the things that popped, really early, and when you're looking at the inventory pattern plan, I'm trying to find something that is a challenge that could help the sales teams at a global scale. So rather than working on problems that are, kind of piecemeal problems or smaller problems, I want to try and have a biggest impact I can in a shorter period of time as I can. And really, it was quite interesting when I did the inventory of the tech snap. It really popped for me that there was a whole host of things that were wrong with that. And, with further analysis, it became very clear is that we didn't have a modern AI driven vision of what a new next gen go to market should look like. And, so that was clear. But what we did have was loads and loads of tools. So everybody been buying loads of things and ultimately ending up with a landscape and an environment where nobody was really using the tools comprehensive on a global scale. Excel, despite investing lots of money in various tools, Excel was still, we were spending over 2,000 hours a week across the globe in preparing forecasts and things like that. Excel at the center of that, despite having a bunch of tools like Gong and Salesloft and Salesforce.com and I could go on, to many other tools. And it was ripe for looking at resetting that, looking at what's available in the market, and really designing 3 to 5 year vision of what that AI enabled sales, the life in a salesperson, a first line, second line, third line, all the way up to CRO is going to look like, set that vision, and then work to try and build that vision out as best as possible. So that's kind of how I kind of came to this, and that's how I came across Aviso. If that answers your question.